All right. What's up, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How's your weekend going? All right, so we're going to be talking about Pump.fun, and we're going to be looking at some technicals that I wanted to go over with you guys earlier, but I was having some technical difficulties. But right now we are we're motivated. We're motivated. And we have some technicals that we want to show you guys. So we're going to do that, and we're going to have a little bit of fun because it's the weekend. And we're going to be looking at Pump.fun as well. So you got to have that weekend fun. What's the point of not, what's the point of doing shit if you don't have fun? Okay, 1 second, guys. All right, we'll get a little Pump.thumb thumbnail. So here's Pump.fun, y'all. Pump.fun. All right, so here's Pump.fun, y'all. So if you haven't heard what Pump.fun is, what up, JJ? What up, GC? Fred? You're flying your drone right now? That's insane. Praying that AMC and GME squeeze this week? We didn't do bad on Friday. I'll talk about AMC and GME as well. All right, let me pop this thumbnail in here real quick. My bad, y'all. Customize details, customization. All right, so here's Pump.fun, and we're going to also talk about AMC, GME, and some crypto coins that I want to show you guys. But here's Pump.fun. I also want to talk about possibly, we might start getting into crypto trading. But you guys, if we get into crypto trading, you got to be real traders when it comes to that shit. Now, this is Pump.fun, right? If you don't know what this website is, this is a website where anybody can create a meme coin. You can create a meme coin in a second, or you can gamble on meme coins. Now, this website did have a live stream feature. Basically, it had its own live stream feature away from YouTube and all of that. These were uncensored live streams, and these are unregulated meme coins. They only go off of the platform if they get a certain amount of market cap. So you start on the platform, they stay on the platform. It's run on the Solana network. So you need Solana. You can buy any coin, you can gamble on it. It's literally gambling. They can go to the moon, they can go crazy, they can pump, they can dump, they can just disappear. Anything could happen. It's just wild madness. Pump.fun, okay? And this has gained huge traction over this week. Now, you can go in here and create any type of like meme coin, and you could do it real quickly, or buy a meme coin, right? So you can search for meme coins that basically creators are pumping and stuff like that. But people have been doing anything, and they had to shut down their live streaming feature because people were doing, I don't even know if I could show this stuff. I don't even know if I could show this stuff. I don't even know if I could show this. I don't even know if I could show this stuff on YouTube. People were doing anything to make their coin pump. So you just seen a quick little flash right there of some of the things that they were seeing, that we were seeing people doing. Like this one guy was holding a strap to a goldfish. I'm not going to use the word, but he was holding a thing to a goldfish, and then yeah, he was telling everybody if the coin doesn't pump that he's going to unalive the goldfish. So we're seeing crazy things happen with this Pump.fun coin. And this was all on the live streaming platform that Pump.fun was hosting itself. So not only did this have a live stream platform that nobody was regulated, but it was hosted. It was like as unregulated meme coins and an unregulated platform. It was crazy. Okay, so somebody just dropped a 2-piece. Wow. Thank you. Salute, brother. Thank you for the 2-piece, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Make sure you guys tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction this week. Bro, so I'm thinking we might do a Pump.fun live stream, bro. I don't want to pump my own coin, but it just seems fun, honestly. Now, obviously, it's bad. It's degenerate. This is insane. You should not put your money into this. Other people like Andrew Tate are using it. Like there's a recent scam with Andrew Tate going on right now. The Tate scam with the Daddy coin. So basically Daddy coin, he made this coin and he pumped it on here. And then also Jack Doherty was also pumping coins and scamming his audience on here as well. So basically he was telling everyone to buy, because Jack Doherty recently crashed his McLaren. He was telling everyone to buy McLaren coin. Coin would go to the moon if you guys bought McLaren coin. So he's telling everyone buy McLaren coin, and that would go to the moon if you bought McLaren coin. But he wasn't even able to scam anybody because he didn't have like very much following. But yeah, this Daddy coin is crazy. This Daddy coin is crazy. So I'm working on the whole thing with the mic. I updated my drivers. I got a new cord. I don't know if you guys can see because it's dark in the stew right now. The stew/bedroom. But I got a new cord. Yeah, you guys can see kind of. I got a new cord. It doesn't seem to be the cord. I updated the drivers. But if it does cut in and out, yeah, I'm working on it. I might have to go cop a new mic. Obviously, yesterday was Thanksgiving, or the day before. We weren't trying to do all that. But yeah, so this is Pump.fun. Now, let's see if I can go on Webull, because Webull was really messing everything up. But we can also go on TradingView. All right, so we're going to look at AMC and GameStop. And then there's a couple coins I want to show you guys. So Cardano is breaking out of this bull flag setup right here. That's something I want you guys to be very aware of. Cardano breaking out of the bull flag setup, getting ready to make a move up. So if you were looking for a possible entry, it looks like it might pull back a little bit, but it's probably going to make a higher low and continue to the upside. Crypto kind of pulling back slightly. prediction here. As you guys can see, Bitcoin following my prediction. I'm expecting Bitcoin to continue to consolidate possibly in between like 95 to 98K and then push to the upside. If Bitcoin does make that move, that's going to give everybody the altcoins that what it needs to push to the upside. And Ethereum, if you guys see this now, but Ethereum is also making a move. Ethereum getting ready to possibly break out of this macro accumulation earlier than expected. If Ethereum breaks out of this macro accumulation, it's going to be absolutely insane. Yeah, bro, like let's say we just like have a few brews with the fam. I'm even might have a brew right now. You know, obviously it's going to be a tea because you can't drink on YouTube, but I might grab a tea out of the fridge right now. And let's pump some meme coins and get rich. Let's pump some meme coins and get rich. How many people do we have? We could probably not do it on a weekend live stream because the weekend live streams obviously are lighter. It's like core DZ fam that pops in over the weekend. But on the weekday, bro, when we got like 200, 400 people, man, we might start pumping some daddy coin, bro. But we all have to get out strategically, bro. That's the thing about this shit. If you guys cannot trade, do not fuck with this for real. And also, don't even mess with meme coins. If you cannot trade, I highly suggest don't be messing with the meme coins. Don't be messing with the meme coins if you cannot trade. All right, so thank you everyone for tuning in. Let me I'm gonna pop on this thumbnail real quick. Pump.fun and stock and crypto technicals to watch out for. Okay, we need to cover AMC as well. And I want to cover the ADA move, which we did. I want to cover the Dogecoin move. And hopefully you guys are having a great weekend. There we go. Perfect, baby. DZ weekend stream. It's lit. You know what it is. Hit the like button and subscribe. So yeah, Ethereum might be breaking out of this macro accumulation here. If it does, so Ethereum needs to break above like 3,800 to break out of the pennant. So basically, if Ethereum holds 4,000 a piece per coin, if it holds that level, this time when it gets to 4,000, it's gonna blast off. So watch out for Ethereum. Ethereum's getting ready to make a major move, y'all. Ethereum's one of the most undervalued altcoins right now. I'm telling you guys, Ethereum's about to make a major move. Doc Airline said we should call the coin we make Puffy. It's easy to make a coin. Let me see if I could do it right now. Oh, wait, I'd have to connect a wallet. I could probably easily... Yep, right here. Start a new coin. What do we want to call it? What you say? Puffy coin. Puffy coin extra. What do you think? Or no. I got it. Puffy coin AI. Puffy coin AI. PFAI. PFAI is the ticker, right? Puffy coin AI and PFAI is the ticker. What do you guys think? We got to come up with this as a community. What if we end up making this coin and it goes to the moon? What if it really, like, what if we all just buy and hold this coin? We say fuck AMC. No, AMC Moas's, and then we roll our profits into this coin. Yo, if we could rig the game, y'all. No cap. But we would have to trust each other. That's the only thing. It would have to be something based on trust. If we all bought and held, let's say AMC and GME squeeze, we take profits, and we all, instead of buying something like Bitcoin or anything, we buy Puffy coin AI, and we just buy and hold, and we never sell. We just buy and hold as a community. Buy, hold, buy, hold, buy, hold, and we can diamond hand that shit to the moon. We diamond hand that shit to the moon. So AMC, can you guys see right now? Gotta get the pic / GF. You guys gotta send me one because I don't have the right picture. I don't have the right picture for sure. You guys gotta send me one. Yeah, I don't have the right picture. But if you guys can see that AMC's in a falling wedge right now, so that means most likely AMC is going to recover on Monday. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Most likely AMC set to recover on Monday. Shiba's pushing. $11% right now. Sheep's up 11%. Well, 12%. Shiba's pushing. That's another thing I wanted you guys to know about. Dogecoin is getting ready to break out. So Dogecoin is getting ready to break out, as you guys can see. What up, Benjamin? What's good with you? Yeah, so Dogecoin is in a bull flag setup. I want you guys to be aware of this. This is one of the coins. I'm glad you said about Shiba Inu. So this is one of the coins I wanted to show you guys. Dogecoin. Getting ready for this bull flag breakout setup. It's going to be about 48 to 50 cents, guys. So that's going to be your price target for Doge. And coins to look out for this bull run. This crypto bull run's not over. Solana, or not Solana, but Solana is definitely one. Also, we have we got Algorand. We got Algorand. We got, what else? Solana, XLM, XRP, Doge, Cardano. Cardano's huge. ADA, which is Cardano. Ethereum. Bitcoin's still going to be king. It's still going to make moves. But Bitcoin's most of the gains are done. But Bitcoin's definitely, if you have it, hold. And Bitcoin's definitely a strong hold. And I will forever remain 50% of my portfolio Bitcoin. But because the way cryptocurrency works, the Bitcoin moves first, and then the altcoins move. So I'm playing this Bitcoin bull run perfectly, this crypto bull run perfectly by so basically what I'm doing is I got my Bitcoin down low. You guys all know I accumulated well around 15 to 20, like 1,000 accumulated in that range. It ran up as I expected, and that's going to be the most of the gains for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still going to make higher moves that it has to for the altcoins to run, but most of the gains are gone for BTC. There'll be gains later. Altcoins are going to be going crazy. There's going to be a lot of opportunity in altcoins. So I'm going to start rolling into altcoins and looking at altcoins. The altcoins to look at are definitely ADA is going to be huge this bull run, guys. I'm telling you, ADA. What else do we have? There's like 3 coins that are XLM and XRP, ADA, and Ethereum. Polygon should do well. Atom should do well. Atom's been making moves. Algorand has been making moves as well. Algorand's been picking up. That's one that might not be on everyone's radar. Stellar, that's XLM. These are like the coins I'm looking at, and then I might obviously just for, news and entertainment purposes be putting out like meme coins and stuff and telling you guys about the rising meme coins. But crypto is definitely where it's at, y'all. Crypto is definitely where it's at. You guys can see, man, that if you guys had your crypto portfolio set up for this bull run, because the Bitcoin, 50% Bitcoin just makes it go higher and higher and higher. And then you have the 50% altcoins that once altcoin season comes, your portfolio, so your portfolio already like triples, and then altcoin season comes, and then it goes even higher. So like, that's why I'm telling you, man, crypto. What up, Whimsy Chick? This is the DZ weekend stream. VeChain should do well. I don't know too much about that. And Shiba Inu should do well. But I think Dogecoin is going to do a little bit better than Shiba Inu, only because of the strong narrative of like Elon Musk and shit like right now. H-bar is going to crush. H-bar is going to crush, bro. H-bar is going to crush. Wait, did Danny Lamb ask me a question? Hoping AMC 10 and GME 50. So that can happen, but it's going to be a couple weeks from now if it does happen. It's not going to be this week. All right, guys. So I am working on the mic thing. I know it is cutting out sometimes. I'm working on it. I kind of have to test it too while it's live. So the only way is trial and error. So I figured the best way to test it and see stuff is on a weekend stream. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about Pump.fun, which is absolutely insane. I'm not going to show the stuff again, but you guys seen it. You guys seen it. They were doing crazy stuff to make their I posted it in the Discord. They were doing anything to make their coin pump. They were literally like, one guy had a pew pew and holding it to a dog and said he's gonna pop the dog if the coin doesn't pump. Girls were obviously doing some freaky stuff. This one guy said he was just gonna sit on a toilet until his coin hit like 100 million market cap. He's literally just gonna sit on the toilet. Let's see if we can find any AMC news. I'm sure you guys won't have any trouble getting it. Okay, so we already talked about this. Guys, this is what I talked about as far as them using the box office as a narrative for the pump. AMC and GME are going to pump, and they're going to use this as a narrative. They're just going to use the box office as a narrative of why it's pumping. But it's not that. That's not why it's pumping. It's pumping because of technicals. You can see we have this falling wedge set up here, which means AMC's most likely going to recover on Monday and break past $5. They just didn't want $5 gamma for next week because it would have been too out of control. They control things. It's a controlled squeeze. But you can see we're literally riding the bands. We're not even inside the bands. I hope everyone realized that. We're not even inside the bands. That's how little the pullback was on Friday. And we are way above the 200 moving average. Both AMC and GME are going to make a move. Shiba's pumping. Yeah, Sheeb's up 13% right now. Let's take a dive into the options chain real quick. Look how bullish December 6 options are. Look how bullish December 6 options are on GameStop. Are you kidding me? And then we have $5 calls and $5.50 calls. So we're probably going to break past $5.50 this week. All right, guys, let me go get a drink. Yeah, they're going to use a narrative as a pump. I already told you guys that. In fact, I tweeted it. Damn, we got 60 people in the building right now? Hold up. Yo, should I share the link? Let me go grab a drink. I'm going to share the link too. All right, y'all, it's the weekend stream, baby. All right, so weekend streams are a win. Well, I didn't know you guys wanted weekend streams. I didn't think anyone would show up. I wish I could get censored pictures so I could show you guys those pictures of Pump.fun, what the people were doing. They had a live stream platform on Pump.fun itself where people could stream without having to get banned or anything like that. No tax has to be crypto based. I think crypto's gonna go. I think crypto's gonna be U.S. based. I think that's Donald Trump's plan. How many people we got in here? 55? Yo, can you guys hit that like button? We even got a super chat. That's crazy. That's how I know the DZ fam's real. DZ fam's a realist. Bro, I'm holding my SQQQ. I'm not selling my SQQQ. I don't know if you should keep buying it, but I'm not selling my SQQQ. You get paid dividends. I get paid all the time from SQQQ, and I just sold another dividend stock. I have a dividend strategy. And you're hedged against the crash. 2025 is going to be bad for stocks. You guys can believe what you want. Stocks just don't go up. Stocks just don't only go up. But I cannot give you guys financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I can only tell you what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is I'm holding. So you can see AMC got the falling wedge for next week, which is a great setup. And GameStop is way, 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 way oversold. Real G's move in silence like lasagna. Real G's move in silence like lasagna. Yeah, GameStop's mad oversold. So GameStop's probably going to get a nasty bounce. And plus there's multiple buy orders for GameStop. Guys, there's a sale on merch right now. Check out the merch store. There's multiple buy orders for GameStop. You can see how we're inside the buy orders right here. So XRP, if XRP breaks above $1.96, it could literally blast off. If XRP breaks above $1.96 and holds that level of support, it could literally go to the moon. All the way up to like, it could go up to 280 to 320 very quickly. So XRP is definitely something to look out for. XLM, definitely something to look out for. XLM is about to blast to a new all-time high that never before seen. XLM, if it goes past 80 cents, it could go to the moon. Benjamin, thank you so much, dude. Shiba Inu's getting a nice push right now. Shiba Inu has a sell wall at 3305. Shiba Inu, if it breaks above 4554, Obviously, with all the zeros, it could see a nice push up. Benjamin, thank you so much. Albert, you were just gifted a free membership by Benjamin. So if you are here, please thank him. Thank you, dude. I appreciate that. Thanks to adding to the community, bro. Weekend stream, DZ stream. Weekend DZ stream lit, bro. And then Benjamin with another gifted. Bro, thank you. And I want to thank you guys for Friday as well. Friday, you guys were great. I wanted to stream longer, bro, but we had some shit going on. Let me see if Weeble's showing anything for 24-hour trading. It says AMC is flat 24-hour and AMC is just, or GameStop's slightly down. Oh, wait. No, GameStop pumped. GameStop? Okay, no, that was the end of the day. GameStop got that big pump back towards 29. It's saying it's at 28. 28. Yeah, 95. Okay. 28.95. Yeah, we're good. Wait, but why is it showing that big pop on here? What is happening? Is this GME? This is not the same chart. What is happening? Bro, this is not the same chart. The app is showing something way different, bro. It's showing this rally in the close. And I can't see that on here. I don't know. What up, Bano? Benjamin, thank you for the double gifted, bro. We got 56 people in the building right now. We're staying live for at least an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's regular tea. That's a regular drink. It's a regular drink. Did you guys see that stuff Pump.fun was going on? SHIB up 13% right now. Shiba Inu up 13%. XRP up 5%. Crypto portfolios to the moon. Crypto portfolios to the moon. Congratulations to all crypto holders. I don't know what this coin is, but it's been popping off. AMC's options chain looking bullish for next week. So is GameStop. GameStop looking stupid bullish for next week. Look how bullish put the calls are. December 6th. Look. These are puts. These are calls. 130 million. All the way up to $58 strike price. Crypto investing's easy. Just look for coins that have good tokenomics. So anytime you're investing in crypto, you want a coin that has like a fixed cap or a burn ratio. You want a coin that has a good community. You want a coin that has so there's a couple different things you can use for investing in crypto. It's tokenomics. Tokenomics are basically like how many of the coin is does it get mined or does it get printed or how does it made? Total supply, max supply, circulating supply. That's tokenomics. Is it mined? Is it proof of stake or is it proof of work? So like Bitcoin is proof of work, Ethereum is proof of stake. Does it have a large community? Does it serve a purpose? That's another thing you're looking at. Like, can it have a potentiality to do something? Like some people think XRP could help banks and improve the banking system. Some people think Bitcoin could be like a better form of gold, which I believe it is. Ethereum is like basically you can build applications on top of it. So Ethereum could be huge. Solana, you can build applications on top of it. Cardano, you can build applications on top of it. So does the coin serve a purpose? Stellar XLM also is a contender for helping speed up the banks and banking transactions, stuff like that. So you're looking for stuff like that. Does it serve a purpose? Does it, how many coins does it have? Does it have a burn rate? Does it have a strong community? Now, meme coins are, if you're looking at meme coins only pop off because of how much hype or communities. Normally, it's more like you want to trade than buy and hold. You don't, so like powerful, but normally like coins like Doge and Shiba, they move more off of momentum. And they move more off of like virality and stuff like that. Because a lot of people know about them and then people buy them. So that's what meme coins are a little bit more risky for sure. But they also can produce gains. But I would not buy and hold meme coins. Any meme coin. Be buying and hold Shiba. I would not be buying and hold Doge. I mean, I guess with any crypto, as long as it stays, it will go up. But I think the best coins are going to be like ADA, XRP, Algorand, Atom, Solana, Ethereum, because these coins have utility. Bitcoin, these coins have fixed caps. These coins have burn rates. So I think that's just my... All right, guys, so if you're just tuning into the live stream, I want to know if you guys want to help me create a Pump.fun coin. We have 61 people in the live stream. We all have to buy $10 of this coin. What should the coin name be? I need them. Guys, we got to come up with it as a community, because if we don't, it will fail. And then what I want to do is we're all going to buy $10 of this coin. No, $100. Not financial advice. And we're going to pump it to the moon. Of course, not financial advice. Let's see what this coin is doing. This coin had a nice little pump and then pulled back. Let's see what this coin's doing. Okay, this coin came up. So whoever made this coin made money. Look. They're up. They're up like, yeah, that's 63% candle. They're up like 100%. And this coin's going up and counting. See, we could literally sustain it, bro. I'm telling you, we could sustain it. We could really do it, bro. That's the crazy thing. Like, not even a joke. Like, we could really buy a coin and run it up. I don't know, man. Is it irresponsible? Is it illegal? Who knows? But DZ fam, like, if we don't rug pull each other, we'll be fine. I swear, if one of you guys rug pull, I feel, there'll be some bad actor, bro. There'll be some bad actor. A DZ hater will come in and buy a bunch and then try to rug pull it to scare us. And then they'll come onto the channel and be like, DZ sold, DZ sold. And then everyone would sell and collapse the coin. Yo, this one's literally about to go mainstream. Once it reaches the bonding curve, it goes mainstream. This one's about to go. This one's about to launch. It's 69% away from going to mainstream. So basically, once it reaches the bonding curve, that means that it reached, like, I think 100,000 market cap, and it can be bought on other platforms. All right, well, you can buy whatever you can spare. But if we all buy and hold, it could go to the moon. We can go to the moon together. We could literally go to the moon together, y'all. No cap. It's not even a joke. We can create one of these low cap coins, and then literally $100 will move it. If we can get like $10,000 collectively, it will go up a lot. And then we could just keep pumping. And this isn't even illegal because this is irregulated. So obviously I'm not saying I'm going to do this, but I'm saying theoretically it could happen. I mean, if you have a strong enough community behind it, and as long as the community for real buys and holds, it will go up and it will maintain value. But we'd have to collectively trust each other. That's the craziest part. And you would see it on the charts if somebody's not doing what they're supposed to be doing. You would see, because it's so small cap, you would literally see it. Like if there was a bad actor or somebody was lying and selling, you would see it on the chart. Because I've watched some of these live streams, when somebody buys as little as like $100, it moves it. I've watched these live streams. So like this massive pump could have came like from like $100. This was a 27% move. If you look on your screen right here, here's the percentage. This was 27%. That could have came from like $100, someone buying $100 because it's so small cap. The market cap's $11,000. So literally $100 can move the candle crazy. Yeah, hit the like button if you don't mind. Hit the like button if you don't mind. We're almost. I still believe in AMC too. We can get AMC. we could literally use the Moss profits to go into the coin. How Dogecoin helped low-income families achieve home ownership? What? Okay, that's what I like. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Crypto is literally wealth transfer. You guys need to get on the boat, bruh. I'm trying to make you understand. Crypto is wealth transfer. HODL coin, that could be it. HODL coin could be it. There already is an ape coin, but HODL coin. I'm trying to tell you guys, crypto is wealth transferring opportunities, bro. Get it in your head, man. Please, for the love of God, not financial advice. Start learning about crypto. Start understanding crypto. Crypto is about to go mainstream, and you're going to see it change like this. You thought 2022 was crazy when you saw crypto on the Super Bowl commercials and shit? No, crypto is about to go mainstream. And when it does, it's going to change like this. I'm telling you guys, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, once in a decade. No, literally once in a lifetime. Get in on this opportunity, man. Crypto. Life changing. I can't wait for AMC to moon so I can buy more crypto. See ya, Bano. All right, so one day during a live stream, I am starting a new coin, 100%. And you guys can too, by the way, guys. XTZ made major moves last bull run. So XTZ is another coin to look out for. XTZ, Algorand, ADA, Ethereum, XRP, XLM. Polygon is one I hold, but I don't know if it's going to go as crazy as last year or last bull run. But I think XTZ is going to go crazy. I just have a feeling ADA is going to do something really special. I think ADA is going to do something really special, and possibly XLM. I think ADA is going to do something really special. So maybe like a $5 ADA. Oh, that would be sick. $5 ADA would be sick. One day. All right, so ADA has major resistance at $1.28. I definitely think ADA can break a new all-time high. We just got this huge pump. All right, so we're above our first major macro resistance. We're above it. Our next major macro resistance is at like around $1.25 and $1.50. If we can break $1.50, we can start mooning. I would put another one right here. Major resistance and support, which is at about $1.95. We need to break above $1.25 on ADA. That's going to be a major level. OG apes have taken a hit, bro. They have. OG apes had to pay out. But OG apes also, not all of them, but they should have made some money off of the pumps that AMC had. If you're a decent trader, you should have made some money off of the pumps AMC had before the reverse split. Not everybody did, but AMC had multiple like 300% rallies. And then we also had that 3,000% rally. And then before that, we had like a 500% rally. AMC had like 6 rallies total. It had this rally, it had this rally, it had this rally, it had this rally, it had this rally. All you had to do is buy the low one time. And this was a complete uptrend from here all the way up to basically here. Even though this was the top, it's still, basically trended up. Even really up to like here, you could have got out or sold or whatever. But I tried to tell everybody before the reverse split that it was going to be bloody and it was going to take a long time before we got into another chance to squeeze, because the reverse split, all it does is free up a bunch of liquidity. So I knew it was going to take forever. But the thing is, they thought for sure after this reverse split that we would not be here anymore. I'm telling you guys for sure, they thought after this reverse split and they drove it down, because they put everything after they reverse split it. They put everything they had into shorting it, because this was supposed to be the final blow to us. That's what you guys don't realize. I don't think some of you guys are just now getting tired. What you don't understand is you were supposed to be here. Okay? Wait, back here was supposed to be your final blow. The apes, whoever's holding still, if you were holding before the reverse split and went through the reverse split, you're supposed to be done and out of this play and gone and dead. They were counting on that. I guarantee you this was supposed to be the apes kill shot. I guarantee you that was supposed to be the apes kill shot, and they put everything they had into shorting it down after that. And now AMC has found a bottom and it's going up. They're in trouble because they put everything they had into this. They're in a lot of trouble. They've been doing this for too long. So you guys obviously have to do and make your own decisions. But if you cannot see, we've had green monthly MACD for quite some time now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green monthly candles. AMC and GameStop have bottomed and are starting to go into an uptrend bull run. They are in trouble. So the fact that everybody held is what made this possible. But anybody holding AMC short positions still, they have a huge problem. And that's why there's articles coming out trying to convince us that AMC and GameStop don't even have short interest. But GameStop short interest definitely went down, and we've had shorts say they're covering, but there's still 14% short interest on AMC And on GameStop, they're still like roughly like 7%. So 7.80%. Oh my God, there's only 950,000 shares left on GameStop. Yo. This is wild. Yeah, I had a great Thanksgiving, bro. Thank you. I might even eat some turkey and stuff in a minute. I love stuffing, bro. Stuffing is the best. Stuffing is the best, bro. I don't know about you guys, but to me, stuffing is the best. Monster made me cough. Yo, they're so low on short shares right now. That's crazy. That's because they use. I'm telling you guys, we're going to recover on Monday. I'm telling you guys. GameStop recovery on Monday. Expect it. Expect it. Expect GameStop recovery on Monday. Bro, expect explosive meme stock action. Get ready, y'all. Benjamin! Bro, you have been too kind, bro. You're single-handedly supporting the DataZero family right now. You're single-handedly, one-handed, like the spirit bomb, supporting DataZero family, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you, brother. I wish I could afford to buy a membership. Nana Ape, stick around. You might get gifted. And I give away gifteds all the time. A membership is only $3.99 now. It's not that much. But stick around, you'll get gifted. Wait, I think a membership, how much is a membership? How much is a membership? Why can't I click membership? What the heck? Can somebody tell me how much a membership is? It won't tell me. Okay, never mind. It won't work. I think it's $2.99. It's $2.99. Bro is spirit bombing DataZero fam right now. And then AMC has a falling wedge, so that's telling me that AMC is going to recover as well. AMC's still in a massive uptrend. We still have a ton of momentum. Look at the alligator. So this is all bullish. I hope you understand. Meme stock's about to do some nasty moves. Yo, Ethereum's about to break out. I told you guys, watch out for this move. Do we have any Ethereum holders in the chat right now? Do we have any Ethereum holders in the chat? Because this is looking pretty good. This could break out of macro accumulation sooner than expected without this pullback. And if you see, Ethereum's going to launch, bro. So when Ethereum pumps, Shiba Inu also pumps. Shiba Inu also pumps when Ethereum pumps. Is this the correct price for Shiba Inu? $2,877. Okay, we're gonna add this to the watch list. Shiba Inu up 11%, baby. Shiba Inu making moves. You know what we do. I don't give a fuck about you. I don't know what. My technicals used to be garby. It worked, though. Shiba Inu needs to break above this level to really make a crazy move. But yeah, Shiba's bottoming and it's looking good. I would definitely want to see a push above this 4, 5, 5, 6 level. Dogecoin is setting up for this bull flag breakout. So watch out for that. Doge potentially setting up for this bull flag breakout. ADA also setting up for a bull flag. Well, it's already broken out. It's going to probably push up to the upside here, ADA. And Ethereum is all. Yeah, I took a look at we took a look at GME. GME's looking good. Got the buy orders. SPY kind of like retesting that rising wedge. So SPY's still retesting that rising wedge. Unless it breaks out of the rising wedge to the upside, I'm expecting it to reject from the rising wedge and move down. RSI starting to get overbought. It's already overbought on these lower time frames. RSI about to get overbought on the weekly. So yeah, SPY's retesting rising wedge here. Probably going to break down. GameStop, AMC look good for recovery. And I'll get to more into that in the weekly outlook and prediction. NVIDIA still breaking down out of the rising wedge. Getting some recovery. But this is a rising wedge breakdown. NVIDIA has to break above 141.05 to start to really recover. And even then, it still would probably end up topping out because it's rising wedge pattern. The dollar has been coming down, though, so that has been bullish for crypto and the stock market. We got 57 people in the building right now. I need everybody to hit that like button. Hit that like button. We got 2 brand new members, yo. Thank you so much for the 2 brand new members for the weekend stream, baby. Weekend stream. Weekend stream. Weekend stream. Weekend stream. Yo, the weekend stream's kind of lit. Okay. We might have to do this more often. I've always wanted to do weekend streams, but I just feel like nobody's going to watch. But everybody's watching. We already got, what, like 500 views, bro. We haven't even been live for an hour. I used to doubt you a whole bunch, but you seem pretty much on point. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Respect for commending or for showing love. That's what real men do. They admit when they're wrong. Yeah, bro, we're pretty much on point. I do this all day, every day. 24/7. If I'm not doing this, then I'm playing video games and getting better at video games. News. Basically, they're going to use that. They're going to use the box office. Like I said, they're going to use the box office as an excuse on why AMC is rallying, but it's because of technicals, guys. It's not the box office. AMC's rallying because of the algo, okay? Look how bullish this is. Do you see how bullish that is? Look how bullish that is. AMC's about to go to the moon. Look how bullish that is, bro. Look at that breakout, bro. Look at that rally to consolidation to breakout. That is hella bullish, dog. If I've ever seen it. So, yeah, they're telling you guys AMC it's because the box office. That's a lie. That's just a narrative. They always have to have a narrative to fit why it's rallying. They'll be like, oh, meme stock AMC took off because of the box office. That's a lie, bro. It took off because of technicals and because of the algorithm, because you knew it was time, because it's being manipulated, because you've been shorting it. Stop lying, bro. They have to have a narrative for all the normies, though. The normies really will believe it too. Like, oh, look, AMC's box office is up and the price is up. Okay. Normies will believe that shit. Even though it could have been predicted that the price was going to go up. I showed you guys pretty much how technicals can predict what's going to happen before the news even happens. It's because it's all planned. It's all scripted. And then they get their little narrative. Oh, see? GameStop rallied because of blah, 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 blah. And AMC rallied because of blah, 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 blah. GameStop secretly making moves, by the way, with that card stuff. Okay, see, this is what worries me about AMC. This multi-year plan to invest $1.5 billion over the next 4 years. But let's think about this. Where is he going to get the $1.5 billion? Where do you guys think? Where do you guys think Adam Aron's going to get the $1.5 billion? Yo, Todd, you're out of control. Todd with 5 gifted? Todd, thank you. Bro, thank you for the 5 gifted, my dude. For real. Bro, thank you for the 5 gifted, bro. Now I can afford to go get my coffee. I'm going to go get one tonight now. Just an extra special treat. Thanks, brother. That's going to put us at 7 new members for this stream? What? Yeah, exactly. The dilution, brother. Ain't no way he got 1.5 billion with his little 500 million cash pile. He got $5 million cash. Where's the other $1 billion coming from? Because AMC's gonna have a rally. He knows it, and he's gonna dilute, and it's gonna be part of the controlled squeeze. That's why. That's why I'm telling you guys to make sure you take profits, not financial advice, of course. 100% what's going to happen is both AMC and GME are going to have a rally, and both companies are going to dilute. That's exactly what's going to happen. I think the shorts and the CEOs of both of these companies have worked it out, where the shorts are like, okay, we'll short it, and then we'll create these artificial rallies. And then when these rallies happen, I need you guys to dilute, and we'll throw you some extra cash on the side end, and you guys get to make cash for your company, and everybody's happy. I honestly think both Adam Aron and Ryan Cohen have a deal, something like that, where they go, hey, every time we create these artificial rallies, and that's why the algorithm just keeps repeating. That's why the algorithm on GameStop just keeps repeating over and over and over and over again, because it's a bunch of controlled squeezes. It's a bunch of smaller controlled squeezes instead of one big market-breaking short squeeze. You squeeze, and then you drag it out, kick the can, drag it out, kick the can, get as many people to sell as possible, kick the can, get as many people to sell as possible. Then you have another controlled squeeze. Then you drag it out, get as many people to sell as possible, get as many people to sell as possible, get as many people to sell as possible. Then you have another controlled squeeze. And then during each one of these squeezes, which happened, dilution happened here on GameStop and dilution happened here on GameStop. Same thing for AMC. So then they dilute, the company gets money, the CEOs probably get paid in the back end from the short sellers, and the short sellers get to control the squeeze. Everybody wins, except for, of course, the apes. Bro, thank you for the 5 Giddick PCPs, CDs, Bro Man, He's Risen, and Destiny 86 all just got gifted from Todd. If you just got gifted, thank you. I'm sorry, Nana Ape, one of those wasn't you. I'm sure Todd was trying to get you with one of the 5 gifted, but it's random. If you stick around and keep leaving comments, though, you will get a gifted. So stick around and keep leaving comments. All right, so make sure you guys type a 1 in the chat and like the stream if you guys want more weekend streams. And if you're watching this on the preview or the run back, the playback, if you guys are watching this on the playback, please hit the like button and comment down below and let me know if you guys want more weekend streams. So I need everybody to let me know if you want more weekend streams. I need to know. I need to know what you guys, what has demand or not. You understand? That's the only way I know what to do. And the weekend streams will contain something fun, like we did the Pump.fun. We'll talk about technicals, of course, but we're also going to talk about fun stuff, like we did the Pump.fun for this weekend. And I had a couple other things lined up, but I didn't know if anyone would show up. Like I was going to talk to you guys about the trading, the 24-hour trading and how everything's a dark pool. We could even do that right now. That video is not that long. I don't think it is anyways. Bro, this explains it.
Is the recent proposal from the New York Stock Exchange to extend daily trading to 22 hours a day. But you know what? This isn't new. Robinhood has already been offering 24-hour trading for over a year. And why the New York Stock Exchange is doing 22 hours instead of 24 hours, I have no idea. They propose the market opens at 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and closes at 11:30 p.m. I don't know who came up with these hours. I really think they should have just gone for the full 24-hour day that Robinhood, Charles Schwab, and so many brokers are already offering. But let's talk here about what this 24-hour market means for active traders. We're going to jump into a slide deck here because we've got a lot to cover. So what's really interesting to me is that all of this began with Robinhood.
I want you guys to understand
They came onto the scene first with commission-free trading. And if you recall, in 2019, suddenly the final domino fell and all of the brokers went to commission-free trading. It happened within a week. All of a sudden, E-Trade, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, boom, 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 boom. They're all doing commission-free trading. So what finally happened was we just reached this kind of balanced tipping point where the brokers realized if we don't offer commission-free trading, we're going to lose business to other brokers. The same thing is happening with the 24-hour markets. So in May of 2023, Robinhood came out with 24-hour trading, but only on a select group of stocks and ETFs. So it's not on every stock in the market. In fact, it's only on a small handful of stocks, and it's really the stocks that typically trade with the most volume, like Apple, Nvidia, the S&P 500 as an exchange. So unfortunately, or as an ETF. So unfortunately, it wasn't widespread enough that a trader like myself was really able to profit or trade the 24-hour markets. And there's a couple other limitations that held us back, and I'll share those with you in a moment. So
Todd
the way
with the 5
it works is for Robinhood.
Okay, here's the important part right here, guys. Here's the important part. I'm not gonna get a drink. I'm gonna get a drink right after this. First of all, Todd with the 5 gifted. Crazy right now. Todd with the 5 gifted. He's trying to get you, bro. trying to get you. Todd with the 5 gifted, putting us 12 new members is insane. Listen. So here's the important part about this. ATS. And remember, I kept telling you guys, anytime you hear ATS, think dark pools. All right, here it goes.
To be able to execute orders when the regular market is closed. They do that by contracting with a firm that runs an alternative trading system.
And anytime you hear alternative trading system, think dark pool.
ATS for short. And it's essentially
he didn't get you, Nana. He tried.
Exchange. It acts like an exchange, but it's not officially an exchange. To become an exchange, there are certain things that a firm would have to do. And it's quite a battle in terms
now I want you to listen to how he's explaining this. To become an official exchange, this is not an official exchange, okay? This is not. I want you guys to know that's key. We just got 60 likes. Thank you all so much. Super chats and 12 new members, guys. Thank you so much, man. The DZ family is too real. Todd, thank you, man. You've been on a freaking tear lately with the support, bro. I appreciate you so fucking much, dude. Thank you so much, Todd.
From a regulatory perspective, to actually become a stock exchange. But becoming an alternative trading system, the barrier to entry is much lower. And all the way back to the 1990s, firms were creating alternative trading systems. And the reason they did this was because, let's say there's a trading desk at a firm. Let's say it's a big bank and they've got 100 traders on the floor and one trader's buying and one trader's selling. Well, typically those orders would both go to the exchange, right? They'd go to the New York Stock Exchange or they'd go to NASDAQ. But what if there's a buyer and a seller that are together on the same trading floor? Could you just connect them without going to the exchange? Maybe you could. And what's the incentive to do that? Well, every time an order is filled on the lit market of New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, the exchanges make money on that. So the brokers pay a fee. So they realize, well, why don't we just start connecting our orders internally if possible? And if we can't, then we'll send them out. And in fact, that's exactly what happens in the payment for order flow structure that so many brokers.
Okay, so I want you guys to understand what he just said, okay? So they are filling all the trades without going to the actual market, which is the exact same thing that happens in the payment for order flow system. This 24-hour trading gives them more control and more anonymity in the markets, allowing them to do more corruption.
Brokers that offer commission-free trading currently use. The orders are filled internally through an ATS offered by an institutional wholesaler, and if they can't match the order internally, only then does the order go out to the main market. And so the way this is working with Robinhood is the extended hours orders.
And that's why I kept saying, bro, the market is, the last little bit of free market is gone, bro. This is originally what led to the name dark pools. All dark pools are alternative trading systems. Anytime you hear ATS, think dark pool. So now everything is going through a dark pool.
Are being executed by a firm called Blue Ocean. And they run an alternative trading system. So this ATS is very similar to an exchange.
Blue Ocean, if his name wasn't here, does not publishes level 2 market depth to provide order book transparency. Okay, it does. However, not alternative trading systems are dark pools, Blue Ocean. But so you see how it says not all alternative trading systems are dark pools? It's still a less regulated trading than an exchange. Now, they're saying Blue Ocean publishes a level 2 market book to provide transparency, but that's not that big of a deal.
Buyers and sellers, but unlike a licensed stock exchange,
it's not a licensed exchange.
ATS does operate under a different set of rules. For instance, one of the rules is that an ATS is not required to publish an order book. And that's why the first ATSs were actually called dark pools. If you've heard the expression dark pools, the reason it's a dark pool is because there's no order book. There's no level 2. But what's interesting here is that all dark pools are ATSs, but not all ATSs are dark pools. And
I
so
don't see
Blue
it that
Ocean,
way.
for instance, does publish a level 2 order book. So they don't
I don't see it that way because it's still basically a less regulated exchange, and the trades are not going out to the actual market. They're all happening in-house. So like he explained earlier, all the trades are happening in-house, and they're not going out to the normal markets.
Have to, but they do. So you can see the buyers and you can see the sellers. So that's a choice that the ATS can make. Now, so that's the way these orders are actually being executed, but Blue Ocean has a couple of limitations.
And there's a reason why. When Robinhood offered 24-hour trading on a few select stocks, GameStop was one of the stocks. There was a reason why.
And one of the limitations is that they will only execute orders in a range of 20% above or below the daily reference point of a stock. So if you recall, in June of 2024, when Roaring Kitty came out and said he's back in GameStop, that was on a Sunday night. And so what happened? Sunday, 8 p.m., boom, GameStop squeezes up in the after hours 24-hour markets. It went straight up until it hit the up 20% threshold, and then trading was halted. All right, so then that was it. Now, currently, stock exchanges don't employ these types of restrictions during extended hours. So the current market hours right now for all exchanges is 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. That's pre-market. So this is pre-market. And then until 4 p.m. So this is regular trading hours right here. And then this is after hours until 8 p.m. So this is our current trading cycle. Now from 9:30 to 4 p.m. we have market orders, we have stop orders, and we have limit up, limit down halts. And of course we have options trading. But between 4 a.m. and 9:30 a.m., you don't have any of this. And between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m., you don't have any of this. So what we typically see on most stocks, if we pull up the chart on, I'll just grab a stock today. So today I'm sitting here up about $14,400. I traded a number of different stocks. This is one that I traded, and you could see the volume pre-market, nothing. Regular trading hours, a lot. Extended hours right now.
After today, I'm sitting at 4,000. It's like nothing to him.
Hours, very minimal. And this is what we're typically going to see from most companies. Now, if we look at the S&P 500, obviously the S&P 500 has almost no volume during the pre-market. Then 9:30, boom, volume spikes. And then all of a sudden after hours, it goes dead. This is how it is for most companies. Most traders, even though they can trade before 9:30 a.m., most don't. So isn't that kind of funny? Right now, the market currently opens at 4 a.m. and it closes at 8 p.m. But look at how much volume occurs during those pre-market and then extended hours times. It's a fraction of regular trading hours. So one of the reasons that I don't think 24-hour markets is going to have a significant impact on my strategy is that more or less we already have 24-hour markets, number one. And number two, we already have long extended hours for pretty much every stock from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. And we still see that trading is concentrated during small windows of that time frame. So ultimately, in order for us to see a big shift in trading and the time of day that we see this volatility, we would need to see companies start putting out those news headlines at 1:32 in the morning, which is certainly possible. And there are a lot of internationally listed companies that are on the U.S. market that may choose to do that because that's when their company is open. But I don't think it's as common. So the expansion from Robinhood to other brokers has happened fairly quickly. Right now, as trading in the stock market is becoming and has become increasingly popular, both in the United States and internationally, more brokers are feeling compelled to offer 24-hour trading. So now Charles Schwab has made a similar announcement. They said this is Robinhood talking about their 24-hour markets. And then Charles Schwab says, here we go. We're going to significantly expand 24-hour trading capabilities to include stocks in the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, hundreds of additional exchange-traded funds. So they're jumping on the bandwagon too. And this is Blue Ocean Technology here and all the different firms that they work with. And you'll see these are a lot of big clearing firms. I mean, these are big names here that they're working with on this 24-hour trading ATS. So now
So he also explains later down the road that you can see that all of these traders, the 24-hour trading, they get to see more of your payment for order flow as well.
exchanges feel like they're missing out. And what's happened over the last several years,
And Citadel is going to end up banking off of this 24-hour trading thing,
is more and more volume has moved off the exchanges. So, of course,
see what I mean? More and more volume has moved off of the exchanges. So more and more more and more of the trades are created in-house and completed in-house than out of the exchange.
this is the hours of trading, not 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. And this works for NYSE, NASDAQ, Amex listed stocks. But what we know is that currently, if you have a broker, let's just say like Robinhood, so you've got your account at Robinhood right here, and you want to send an order to the market, that order is first going to go to the ATS, right? The alternative trading system.
So here he explains it.
And typically they'll match your order and give it to you right back there. And your order never actually goes out.
Your order never goes to the market.
To NASDAQ, NSDQ. Your order never gets to the actual market. So who loses money? NASDAQ, sad face, with a couple of tears coming down on the side, because they're missing out on the payment for order flow. Who's getting it? Citadel, these big institutions here.
Who's getting it? Who's getting all the money now? Who did you just say?
So who loses money? NASDAQ, sad face.
Who gets all the money now? Listen to what he says.
Because they're missing out on the payment for order flow. Who's getting it? Citadel, these big institutions here that are executing their orders for Robinhood, I'll just say.
Citadel is making more and more money, taking over more and more of the trades. Citadel gets to see more and more of the payment for order flow. Citadel gets to control more and more of the market. Citadel is taking over the market using 24-hour trading. A lot of people are not understanding these things. You guys watching this right now are the few that this is exclusive for me putting this on the channel. Shout out Trader Ross. He's already had this video out for 3 weeks, but I'm breaking it down to explain it to an ape and why it concerns us. And I want you guys to think of ATSs as dark pools, even though that's not necessarily true. To clarify, an ATS is just a less regulated exchange, but it's a dark pool, okay? And then I want you to also understand that your trades are not going out to the market as much anymore. They're being completed in-house, and more and more payment for order flows going to Citadel.
Think or Swim, which is Charles Schwab, but you get the idea. So these orders are getting routed here. Now, something that's a little bit of a challenge is, let's say you want to buy 50,000 shares right here. If you want to buy 50,000 shares and there's not a match for you inside this alternative trading system, well, you have to get your order out to the market. And this creates a little bit more latency in routing your order. As long as you don't mind that latency, commission-free trading is fantastic. But if you want really fast executions, you may want to bypass this entirely and go direct to the market. The only problem is you can't do that with a lot of commission-free trading brokers. You have to go through an institutional broker right here that caters to professional or very active traders and
very rich people is what he meant to say.
Gives them the ability to route directly to these types of markets. The only problem with this type of broker is that you can't route to here. So now, if I'm over here and you're over here, our orders shall never touch because we're completely separate. So we actually are trading during a period where the market has become more segregated than ever before. It used to be that it was one auction where all the trades came together. And then through the
this market's fucked.
Creation of these alternative trading systems, the market became more and more siphoned into these small pools of liquidity.
All right, guys. So that's basically what I wanted to touch on that. So when I watch this video, I just wanted to touch on that stuff. And I'll try to break it down, clear points. Basically, more and more of the market, like you said, is segregated. And long story short, the last little bit of free market is being taken out of it. Citadel is getting more and more control over the market. Citadel is gaining more and more of the payment for order flow, which means they can see more of the orders, which means they can manipulate more of the market. And your trades are not going out to the NASDAQ, to the actual market as much. They're just being in-house. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. And that's probably how they're doing some of this stuff, like how cost of borrow dropped down all of a sudden and stuff like that, how they're freeing up liquidity, even though they're shorting more. You can see that the short volume for AMC is going up, but the cost of borrow is going down. That's probably how they're doing stuff like this. I'm going to probably just wrap up this live stream, give you guys a few technicals here. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Let's see, as long as we've been alive. Yeah, we've been alive for about an hour and a half. So this is just what we covered here is Pump.fun. Don't be surprised if you see me create a coin, bro. I'm not rugging anybody. It might just be for fun. I don't know. I don't even know what would happen if I created a coin, bro. So I don't know if I'm going to do it, but don't be surprised if you see me create a coin for fun or something. I don't know, man. So Pump.fun and the Degenerate, we were covering that as well. Just some funny stories, like somebody was holding a pew to a goldfish and saying that if he didn't pump the coin, that he was going to pop the goldfish. The other person sat on the toilet, said, listen, I'm not leaving this toilet until my coin pumps. And they're live streaming all of this on Pump.fun. Pump.fun doesn't have a live stream anymore because the live streams were getting out of control, so they needed a moderating thing right now. But Pump.fun is a new website that's going absolutely crazy. It's degenerate gambling, just so you guys know. It's gambling. It's crazy. It's insane. Super low market cap meme coins. Andrew Tate's been on it. Jack Doherty's been on it. I'm sure you'll hear some other influencers trying to scam their fans on it. I'm not scamming anybody. If we did make a coin, I would hold the coin, and also if it went, I would still hold it. If it went low, I would still hold it. It would be a little bit of money, and it would be for a joke, guys. So don't put any money into a coin if I make a coin, all right? Seriously. Also, I want to thank Todd because Todd went crazy today, and Benjamin went absolutely ham. So thank you guys so much, Todd and Benjamin, and Danny as well, for the super chats and gifteds. We're up to 12 new members, which is absolutely insane. So shout out Todd, shout out Benjamin, and shout out Danny. I truly appreciate y'all supporting the DZ fam. Lottery Stocks has a coin. I know he has a coin. So that's why I'm saying I should just make one. I should just make one for fun. Why'd I spell that so horribly? Yeah, I seen his coin the other day. I posted it on the Discord. I think it's called Lottery Stocks Coin, right? That's right. Is it that Lottery Stocks Coin? Is that it? Or is it called Stocks? I forget what it was. I posted it on the Discord. Let me see it, and I'll look it up. I posted it in the Discord because I was bugging about it. I think it's Lottery Stock Coin, but let me see. Yeah, that's it. Lottery Stock Coin. Stocks Coin, right? Oh, US Stocks typo. Right there. Yeah, so why can't I make a coin? And look, his coin's going up, bro. So I should do it, bro. It's going nothing but up. We could go to the moon together. See how the price is going up steadily? Because you just hold. Why not? Why not, y'all? If we promise to hold together, why not? Why the fuck not? Bro, we have to hold together, though. It's up 358%. It's up 350%. Somebody took profits when it went crazy. It was up 700%. Somebody said it's too much, and they did take profits. Somebody took profits right here. Somebody took profits. But it's still up. It's still up 330%. Like, why not? And it's been since November 26th. No, 24th. It was made on the 24th, 25th. So it was made around Thanksgiving. It's only been a couple of days. I think we could do better than this, though. I think we could do like a 500% banger, but nobody better take profits like this because we can see it on the chart. If you guys take profits, that's fucked up. We have to hold to the moon if we do this. We have to do it right. We could be the first community to actually do this right because everybody who's doing it, they're just doing it as a scam, and we could actually do it right. We could do it right, but if you guys, I swear to God, there's going to be somebody that's going to get greedy and take profits. We have to hold to the moon. Somebody's going to get greedy and take profits. I know it. I'll hold, but I don't want to damage my reputation, so I don't even know if I want to touch this shit with a 10-foot pole, to be honest with you guys. But I would hold. But I feel like somebody would take profits, man. We'll see it on the chart. And I'll be able to show you guys my wallet where I hold my coins and show you guys that I have not sold. So we'll know if someone else sold, but we won't know who exactly. But we'll know somebody. We would know somebody sold, and we would know if it was me or not. But yeah, man, that shit's crazy. I don't know if I want to touch that with a 10-foot pole because I worked hard on trying to build my reputation. But anyway, guys, I'm going to do the weekly outlook and prediction on tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing the weekly outlook and prediction tomorrow. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Weekly outlook and prediction tomorrow. I appreciate everybody who tuned in right now. We got 53 people in the building, I think. Actually, I'm not sure how many people are in the building. All right, we got 53 people in the building. We have 62 likes, 12 brand new members, which is crazy. That's for real crazy. On an hour long, we're about to be 2 hours. We're about to make it to 2 hours. We're at an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, good luck to everybody. I'm going to do just quick little checkup on AMC and GameStop call options. And then we're out of here. So GameStop call options is extremely bullish. And we're seeing 2950s. People are buying up 2950 call options. You can see GameStop is stacked heavily. For December 6th, you can see December 6th right here. December 6th. This is the next expiration coming up, stacked heavily to call options for GameStop and AMC. AMC and GameStop are both stacked heavily for December the 26th. And I'm going to break it all down on the weekly outlook and prediction. So make sure you guys check out the weekly outlook and prediction, which will be coming up tomorrow. We have 0.27% right now. Cost to borrow for GameStop. We have 0.61% cost to borrow for AMC. We want to see that cost to borrow go up. It's coming up slightly, but not much. Short interest is sitting at 7.80%, and there's only 950,000 shares available to short for GameStop, which is crazy. 2.5 million for AMC. Oh, shoot. We got unemployment coming out next week. That's going to be huge. Unemployment coming out next week. And we have a Fed speech. Wait. Next Friday is... Wait, I'm so confused. Next Friday is the 6th. Okay. Yeah, we got unemployment and we have a Fed speech next week. That's going to be big. All right, guys, get ready for DataZero AI Pump Coin. All right, DataZero AI Pump Hodl. Hold on. Hodl Gang Coin. Right there. That's the name, baby. DZ should have a holiday party on the lives. What, on Christmas or Christmas Eve? What do you think? What are you guys thinking? Talk to me. Give me some ideas. Give me some ideas and maybe we will. We got 10 more minutes to 2 hours, so I'm streaming to the 2-hour mark and then I'm out. We got 10 minutes. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining. We're streaming to the 2-hour mark and then I'm out. New Year's. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm gonna be in Pennsylvania. I'm gonna stream from the hotel though. I did New Year's last year. It was if you guys remember, New Year's I was in a hotel in Pennsylvania. If you guys really are DZ fam, you would know that. I was in a hotel. If you guys remember, if you followed me, my live stream was in a hotel for New Year's. I did a New Year's live stream, and I think I tried to get a bunch of subscribers. I think we actually crossed like 13,000 or some shit like that. I forget, man, but I think we were trying to get like 10,000 subscribers or something. I don't remember. But I was in a hotel for sure. I'm definitely probably going to do something for New Year's. All right, so we got XRP up. Shiba Inu's getting a little bit of pullback. Shiba Inu's up about 9%. Shiba Inu getting some pullback. Bitcoin I expect to consolidate and potentially push to the upside. Ethereum's getting a little bit of pullback, but Ethereum's getting ready to make moves. Cardano 80 sitting at 105, pulling back, but I think it's about to get a pop to the upside. It's breaking out of like this bullish consolidation here. And we have to remember this uptrend. It's in a very powerful uptrend. Now, if it breaks this uptrend, it could have a decent pullback, but ADA, I think overall macro is going to be bullish. The golden years? Give us the Trump talk? Why was it necessarily Trump talk? Because I held the same values as somebody? Why's it gotta be Trump talk? This beat is slapping, yo. How is this tracking perfectly? Tracking like the golden years. Bitcoin is pulling back because crypto is pulling back because Bitcoin's pulling back. But if Bitcoin gets a bounce where I think it's going to, you'll see altcoins recover. But altcoins are getting some pullback right now because Bitcoin is pulling back. But you will see altcoins recover if Bitcoin gets a bounce where I'm expecting. Bitcoin should bounce around 95,000 even. Just so you know, so you're aware. Sup with the new channel. I'm going to start posting there more often, and I'm going to put I'm going to post Rumble more often. Make sure you guys follow me on Rumble and follow me on the second channel. Yo, this is the peanut coin. What the fuck? Peanut came from this? Yo, this is the peanut coin that became a top 100 altcoin. Peanut, yes. What the fuck? Peanut came from Pump.fun? What? I did not know that. That peanut coin came from Pump.fun. The second channel's in the bio. Also, if you guys want to check out the Discord, hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. $75 for a lifetime invite. I just posted the second channel in the link. Yo, Peanut came from Pump.fun. I did not know that. That's crazy. See, it bonding curve process 100% complete. So then it gets it gets to go on other exchanges. It's our job to help save Peanut the squirrel. Sign the petition. This is crazy. Crazy world we live in, y'all. What if our coin got big enough it went mainstream? We could all get rich because we're early investors. Crazy fucking world we live in. And we could literally go to the moon together. I'm thinking we should probably do this as a community. It's very risky, but I'm thinking we should do it, man. It seems like there's too much upside. There's a lot of downside, and I could risk my PR for sure, which is something I definitely don't want to do. But my God, bro, the opportunities are endless. we could literally get rich together, bro. That's the thing. We would be the early investors. So basically, if our coin got out of the bonding process and went mainstream, we, the community, would be early investors. Insanity. All right, guys. So that was the weekend live stream, guys. That was the weekend live stream. We have reached the official 2-hour mark here on the live stream, on the counter. We have reached a 2-hour mark. Thank you guys for everything, man. I appreciate you guys. 71 likes. Thank you guys for all tuning in on the live stream. If you're watching this on the playback, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what cryptos you guys want me to talk about. Let me know if you hold crypto, if you're watching this in the playback or watching this right now. And let me know a name of the coin that we should create as a community so we can all get rich. If you're watching this on the playback or watching this right now. This is DataZero weekend live stream. Make sure you type those ones in the chat and in the comment down below if you guys want more weekend live streams. And I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in right now. You already know the deal, man. You already know the deal, what it is. We talked about some plays to look out for. We talked about some technical setups. And we talked about Pump.fun. Educational and entertainment all wrapped in one, baby. You already know how we do. Yeah, we have fun and get money and have fun, baby. You already know what it is. So if you guys want more live streams like this, type a 1 in the chat. If you're watching this on the replay, leave a 1 down in the comments or let me know if you guys want more. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. I completely forgot to share the links, too. I completely forgot to share the links. That's funny. Man, I really appreciate everybody who tuned in. Thank you so much. This was DZ. Shout out Alex. Shout out Dell, Fishy Friends. Yeah, make sure you get ready for Money Mondays. And then also your name, bro, DataZero. Oh, I get what you're saying. Make it my name. Yeah, everyone have a good night and have a great weekend. Shout out to all the new subscribers. We're at 14,508. So we're at 14,500. We're getting close to 15,000. What up, Monday? How to buy to us stupid people? What is that? My next crypto video? Is that what you mean? My next crypto video should be how to buy crypto. You go to just Webull Pay or Coinbase. I showed you guys on live stream before. If you're not in crypto, you want to be in crypto. Trust me. What do you mean? The sign's showing. Right? You can see that. I think it looks good. All you do to buy crypto, man, is go to Coinbase or Webull Pay, make an account. Webull Pay or Coinbase. Make an account on one of these two places. Probably already logged in. But it's simple. Then, yeah, look, I don't even have to log in. Then you just hit buy. And you can buy any amount. You can buy $5. You can buy $1. You can buy $100. You can buy $1 million. You can buy any amount. And then once you buy the crypto, you want to send it to your wallet. I might start trading live, honestly, on small amounts. We might start trading live because I still have a little bit left in that account. And I transferred some of it out, but I still have $83 I could play around with on that account. Actually, I'm up right now on an Ethereum trade. It's just a small account, but it could show you guys basically, it could be a big help to people because it could show people how it's possible on a small account to make money. But right here, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm up $1. It's only $1.15, but it's up on an Ethereum trade on Webull Pay. Webull Pay would be good to use for crypto trading. I might use this for trading live. Maybe. And I guess I could show you how it'd be possible on a small account. Maybe I could add some money to it so we could actually have some fun. A little bit of play money or something like that. But so far, I have traded this account up some. You can see cumulative or total profits. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm up $70 total on a small account. And this is all stuff I got for free because people signing up for Webull. It was like $30 and I traded it into like $150 or something like that. But that's how I learned about Webull Pay because I had crypto on Webull and it transferred it to Webull Pay. And then after it transferred it, I was like, oh, okay, this is not that bad of a platform. So that's why I'm looking at Webull Pay as possibly trading crypto. Just the main cryptos. But we can trade stuff like Bonk, Phantom, Atom, Pepe. We could trade any of the cryptos pretty much. And I could do crypto trading live with you guys. XRP's at $1.85. I'm telling you guys, if XRP breaks $1.90, it could absolutely fly. So watch out, XRP setting up for a move. MoonPay I haven't tried. Well, we were actually getting off, but then I started talking. So I guess it's technically a late night stream, but I was literally just getting off. I told everybody I was getting off, but I just kept talking. Somebody asked me how to buy crypto, and I just showed him real quick. But yeah, so either download Coinbase or Webull Pay, and then you can buy any amount, and you just hit buy. Once you have the crypto bought, you can transfer it to a wallet. A wallet, you should use like Exodus or something like that. MetaMask. Those are two wallets that I know and trust. if you're holding your crypto long term. If you're just trading it, you can trade it on exchange, but never leave your crypto on exchange, not your keys, not your coins. If you have over $500 of crypto, you want it inside of a wallet. More than $500 sitting on exchange. Really, I wouldn't even leave $250 on exchange, but if I lost $250, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I'm not trying to like say like crazy. If you're investing it, you're already risking it. So like if it just disappeared, it wouldn't be the end of the world. But if it's an amount of money that it's something a lot to you, do not leave it on exchange, is what I'm trying to say. So me personally, I have a rule. I will never leave more than $250, $500 on an exchange. Never. I put it in my wallet. And that means you're holding it. It's a longer term trade. But if you're just trading it for short term, or you have it for a trade, you could probably do it on exchange. But again, if it was a trade and I'm putting like $5,000 in the trade, I'm sitting it in my wallet. I'm not leaving $5,000 on exchange. It's probably safe there, but you never know what could happen. And there's like vulnerabilities and stuff that hackers find, and they can get into these wallets, and you don't want that. So just put your money on a wallet to make sure you're. That was the DZ weekend stream, baby. Zelly's out in the building. Nightbot in the building. Alex, Chris, Nana Ape. You already know what it is, baby. XCN. This XCN. It had a huge pump, but now it's flat. You're probably at near the bottom now, but it's not a very well-known coin. It's number 735, so you would definitely want something, hopefully has a strong community around it. I would say pretty risky, bro. Pretty risky. All right, guys, so this is the DZ weekend stream. Let me know how you guys liked it, if you were watching on the playback or the replay, if you're watching right now. Hopefully it was fun. Hopefully it was educational. Hopefully it was entertaining. I aim for those three things. We've been streaming for 2 hours and 8 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. It's officially 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Well, a little bit close to. I'm going to be logging out. I appreciate all of you guys for being here. Thank you so much, man. It's the DZ weekend stream. Make sure you guys remember the things I talked about. Ethereum getting ready to make a move. If Ethereum holds 4,000, it's going to make a big push to the upside. So remember what I talked about there. ADA potentially making a move. Dogecoin potentially making a move. But right now, altcoin's pulling back because Bitcoin is pulling back. Bitcoin should get a bounce around 95,000. AMC and GME looking good for recovery. Tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction. That's going to be a video dropping tomorrow. You know what I should have did? If I was smart, I would have recorded the weekly outlook and prediction live and then posted it tomorrow. But I'm dumb. I didn't think that far ahead. Next time I do a Saturday stream, oh yeah. So if you ever see me tune in for the weekend, you might want to tune in, because I might be recording the weekly outlook prediction live and then putting it into a video. Also, we're going to do fun things like this on the weekend more often. I watched the 24-hour trading video in this live stream as well and broke down 24-hour trading. We talked about Pump.fun, and we gave you guys technicals and plays to look at and look forward to. We talked about AMC and GME, and we had fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the live stream. Let me know if you guys want more streams like this. But yeah. Next week we might watch, I have a couple videos lined up that we could watch, and then we'll talk about technicals, so we'll try to do the same thing next week. Everybody have a good weekend, y'all. This is DataZero. Over and out. Good night, everybody. You're welcome, Chris. Be easy, DZ fam. You dig? Peace.